So children, I hope you have understood chapter 5. Now we will learn about chapter 6, comparison. Okay. So children, we have already learned about adjectives. Now we will learn how adjectives help us compare between two things. Okay. Let us see. Here this is marker, this is pen. So marker is thicker than pen, or we can say that pen is thinner than marker. Okay. Look here, one more example is there. This is scale. So this scale is longer than this scale, or we can say that this scale is shorter than this scale. Okay. Now look here again. So children, this is orange and this is lemon. Okay. So orange is bigger than lemon, or we can say that lemon is smaller than orange. Okay. I hope this is clear to you. Okay. Now look at the definition. Definition is some adjectives help us compare two things and say how they differ from each other. We have seen that how they differ from each other: smaller, shorter, bigger, longer. Okay. These adjectives generally end with ER. So children, you have to keep in mind that these adjectives generally end with ER. Okay. So children, these are some words: bigger, smaller, longer, shorter, thicker, thinner, stronger and weaker. So children, these adjectives help us compare between two things and tell us they tell us how things differ from each other. Okay. And children, you have to keep in mind that when we compare between two things, it generally ends with ER. Look here, it generally ends with ER. Okay. Children, now we will do book work of chapter comparison. Okay. So open your book and take out page number 25. Question A, complete the sentences with suitable adjectives. So children, you have to compare between two articles, two objects, then you have to choose the correct adjective and fill in the blank. Adjectives given to you are smaller, taller, longer, older. Number 1, the man is dash than the boy. So children, you have to compare between man and boy here. So correct objective is OLDER. The man is older than boy. Okay, the man is older than the boy. Number 2, a chair is dash than a bed. So children, here you have to compare between bed and chair. Okay, a chair is smaller than a bed. Okay, correct adjective is SMALLER, smaller. Number 3, Yamini is dash than her brother. Here you have to compare between Yamini and her brother. Yamini is taller than her brother. So we will choose taller adjective here. Yamini is taller than her brother. TALLER, taller. Number 4, a rabbit has dash ears than a cat. Children, here we are comparing ears of rabbit and cat. Okay, so ears of rabbit is longer than cat's ear. So we will choose LONGER, longer here. A rabbit has longer ears than a cat. Okay. So children, some adjectives help us in comparing more than two things. Look here, these are 3 pointers. Okay. Now we will do comparison between these 3 pointers. So this is long, this is longer and this is longest. Okay. See, long, longer and longest. Now look here, we will see one more example. Okay, here we are having 3 books. Okay, this is thick, this is thicker and this is thickest. Okay, look here, thick, thicker and thickest. So some adjectives help us in comparing more than 2 things and they tell us how they differ from each other. So children, you have to keep in mind when we compare more than two things, it ends generally with est. Okay, look here. Now we will read the definition. Some adjectives help us compare more than two things and say how they are different from one another. These adjectives generally end with est. We always use the article the before them. Okay, so which article we use? We always use article the before them. Okay. Question B, page number 26. Choose suitable adjectives from the ones given and compare the following sentences. So children, some adjectives are given to you. You have to choose the correct one and complete the following sentences. Number 1 is, yesterday was the dash day of this winter. So children, here we are comparing yesterday with all the days of the winter. So we are comparing more than two things. So what we will use? We will use which form? est form. Okay. So the correct adjective here is coldest, coldest. Okay. Correct adjective here is coldest. Look here, it ends with est and we used article the before adjective. Okay. Now look at number 3. The dash boy will win the quiz. So children, quiz is conducted among all the children. Okay. And we are saying, we are talking about one boy. So we are comparing more than two things. Okay. So we will use est form. So the cleverest boy will win the quiz. So adjective here we used is cleverest. It ends with est and article the is used over here. Now look at number 5. Pick up the dash pencil from the bunch. Okay. Pick up the shortest pencil from the bunch. Okay. So one bunch is given to you. Here we are comparing between more than two things. So we have written over here shortest. Pick up the shortest pencil from the bunch. Okay. Children, rest of the questions you will do it yourself. Now we will switch to next question. Question C. Look at the pictures, fill in the blanks with the correct adjectives from those given in the brackets. So children, adjectives are given to you in the bracket. You have to choose the correct one and fill in the blanks. Number 1. The dash pencil has stripes on it. So children, here we are comparing among three pencils. Okay. So options given to you are longest and longer. The dash pencil has stripes on it. So children, look here. This pencil has stripe? No. The center one has stripes on it. So this is the longest pencil. We are comparing among three things. So we will write longest over here. Longest, longest. Now look at number 3. A horse is dash, then a donkey. Options are faster and fastest. So here we are comparing between two animals, horse and donkey. So we will use faster over here. Okay. Because we have learned whenever we compare between two things, the adjective generally ends with er. Okay. So we will write faster, faster. Now look at number 5. A car is dash, then a bus. So here we are comparing between two things, car and bus. So we will write lighter over here. Okay. Options are lighter and lightest. We will write lightter, lighter over here because we are comparing between two things. Okay. Now we'll switch to next question. Question D, complete the table. So children, some adjectives are given to you. You have to complete the table. You have already learned that when we compare two things, we add er to the adjective, and when we compare more than two things, adjective generally ends with est. Okay. So number 1 is nice, nicer, nicest. Number 2, dash, finer, finest. So here finer is given to you. So what is the adjective here? fine, okay, fine, finer and finest. Now look here, similarly bright, brighter, brightest, close, closer, closest, neat, neater, neatest, clean, cleaner, cleanest. So children, our chapter is over here. I hope you have understood chapter 5 adjectives and chapter 6 comparison. Thank you.